Let's solve this interesting fill the numbers puzzle step by step. In this puzzle, we must use the numbers 1 to 9 without repeating any number. We need to form a 2-digit number, multiply it by a 1-digit number, get a 2-digit answer, then add another 2-digit number, and the final result must also be 2 digits. First, let's consider the numbers 1, 4, and 7. That forms the 2-digit number 17. 17 multiplied by 4 equals 68, so the digits 6 and 8 are now used. Now let's check which remaining number can be added. First, try 2. 8 plus 2 equals 10. But the last digit is 0, and 0 is not in the number range, so we cannot use number 2 here. Next, try 3. 8 plus 3 equals 11, but the digit 1 is already used, so 3 is also not suitable. Now try 5. 8 plus 5 equals 13. The last digit 3 is still unused, so we can use both 5 and 3. Now the remaining numbers are 2 and 9. Add them as 25. 68 plus 25 equals 93. All digits from 1 to 9 are used exactly once, so the puzzle is solved correctly. The key idea is test each number carefully, reject impossible options, and apply logical reasoning step by step. If you enjoyed this puzzle, please like the video, comment your answer, and subscribe for more math and logic challenges. Thanks for watching. Keep thinking smart with numbers.